Crazy Boricua, how you doing, everybody on YouTube? Hi, here, Crazy Boricua again. Hope everybody's doing great today. Yes, I just want to do this video because my dog is getting spoiled. Look at this. Look at this. She thinks she's a baby. Yeah, she thinks she's a baby. Look at this. Oh my God, Marilyn. No, you're not a baby. You're a dog. Come on. Stop being wanting attention all the time. Say something to the people. Oh, you don't want to see? You don't want to talk to Facebook people? I'm sorry, to YouTube. Do you want to talk to the people? Look, they waited for you. Look, come here. Look. Oh, you're avoiding. You're avoiding, huh? You don't want to talk to them. You're ashamed of yourself, huh? Do you? Talk to them. Say hi. You don't want to say hi? No? Say hi. No? You're embarrassed. Oh, come on. Say something. No, say something. No, say something. Come on. Be nice. Be nice. Come on. Talk to the camera. Oh, you get mad now? See, people? She started inviting me now. Yes. Yeah, she's... Okay, sorry, people. Yeah, so back again here. Yeah, I can play with my dog. I'm waiting to see if I can do another video soon again. I'm waiting for a couple stuff from Amazon so I can do a review. And the part I don't do oh my God, what is it called? Drone video or Phantom DA Phantom 3 video is because it's cold over here. It's real cold and the batteries don't work that great. They drain too quick and you can damage the battery if you fly in cold weather a lot, so you have to let it rest a little bit. So that's the reason I don't make videos from the drone, but soon, I hope soon. It's already spring, so spring, yeah, spring. So waiting for the get a little warmer to start flying the drone again. So let's see what happens, okay? Yeah, my dog, she's dry and spoiled. Look at it. She just like to bite my fingers. I don't know why.
We just have to move on. Don't give me that shit. We don't
Tell
have to
him.
move.
Tell him.
To move big.
Come on. Tell him. No. 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 Talk to the people. You need to say sorry to the people. No. Look at me. Look. Look. What do you talk to? You need to talk to them. Say sorry. Look, Marilyn. Right here. You don't want to talk to them? Why?
Why does it turn on?
Don't do that.
Is this thing spying on me?
Yeah.
What?
Go.
Yo, can you see that?
You spoil. Yeah, this is my wife's fault. She spoiled her and then she expect me to be spoiled too. But I don't think so. No, I don't think so. God bless you. Yeah, no. Excuse me. No. Talk to them. Why you don't say something? Oh, you just hitting the camera. Yeah, people, I'm sorry. She don't want to say anything. Let's see, I can put it to stop. Marilyn, no. No. Go. Who's there? Who's there? Joshua's there? Is Joshua there?
Sorry, guys. I love you guys all. I hope you enjoyed
Joshua's there? Go get Joshua. Who's Joshua?
If you haven't already, click subscribe
Joshua's
over
there?
here. Watch my last video over here.
Where's
and I'll see you
Joshua?
guys tomorrow.
Where's Joshua?
YOLO. Bye. Boom.
All right, people. So let me let you go. I hope everybody's doing great today.
Sheep attack.
Love you guys.
This is the car
Take
stuff.
care. Bye bye.
Why do we always have sheep while we come
Okay,
to car?
stop editing.